It seems that I always find myself walking down, well, roads, especially kind of weird, creepy roads. Well, today is nothing different. Today, my friends, I should say in this video, my friends, we are going to be adventuring through Camp Creek State Park and State Forest. Now, Camp Creek is known for two things. Things called Campbell Falls and Marsh Creek Falls. Leave those as the two names. But anyways, there's two wonderful waterfalls in this State Forest State Park. And so, we are going to visit them, video them in their full glory, and then probably go gallivanting off through the forest, through the lovely forest, and see what other things we can see. Yeah, that's all I got for now. Nice little rapid section. Now, this video is probably going to be posted about, well, 2023, spring 2023. Today's date is, I think, November 22nd, 2022. That's why it looks so desolate for the most part. The only real green we have are the giant rhododendrons and the pine trees. So, yeah. I don't really have anything else for you. I just say, let's start wandering through West Virginia together. Hey guys, I can hear it. Oh, and actually, oh my gosh, we found the waterfalls. That actually is probably one of the better waterfalls I have seen in my entire time going on these little adventures. Oh, golly Neds. I'm gonna get you guys as close as possible on this one, because this looks really, really, really cool. My golly Neds. Well, I got closer. This is still Campbell Falls, but I think we can get even closer now. See, I found a little walkway. It'll push you all the way down here. Look at the water! This is some of the clearest water I have seen in all my adventures. But wait, it gets better. We take this little trail all the way over here. Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Campbell Falls, everybody. Camp Creek State Park, State Forest. Well, it looks like we're gonna have a little farther to walk. for the other one. The other set of waterfalls is called Marsh Fork Falls. So that's the second set. As you can see, the road goes from paved to, well, gravel. So we'll be gallivanting off down this road now in hopes of finding Marsh Fork Falls. I wonder if they're any better. I wonder if they're better than Campbell Falls. I don't think they can really beat that, but you know, anything's a possibility at this point. I'm thoroughly surprised, and we've, I think, only spent like an hour here so far. So yeah, let's go on an adventure. Let's go find Marsh Fork Falls. This, my friends, is Marsh Fork Falls. Now, it's not as grandiose as the other one, but I think it's because we're looking at the wrong side of it. So there's like a little like observation area. We're gonna look at it. You notice this whole area over here, like all this dry area, this could be like a major part of the waterfall when the water levels are a little bit higher. But because it's not as high right now, it's mostly just located over there on that one side. So let's go ahead and go and look for it. Basic way we get over to the other side is you go across this lovely little bridge. Now, I told you guys before that this is a state park and state forest. So there is your state forest side. To go get to the lovely falls, at least a better vantage point of the falls, we've got to cross it. So death defying, I say. Even look at this bridge. It gets kind of just not what you expect. So then you come over here, and you have the falls. Is this as grandiose as the other one? Nope. No, it is not. But I guarantee you, if we came in during like the wet, rainy season, whole rest of it would be waterfalling, or have water on it, I should say. I'm not sure we can really get much closer to it, at least safer closer to it. And I really hope this video does it justice. But waterfall's about maybe 4.5 feet tall, and it's just a one. Well, technically you call it a 2-layer one, but yeah, that is Marsh Fork Falls here at Camp Creek State Park and State Forest. Yeah, I think we'll do another like short little video here to finish it up. But yeah, these are the two main objectives we wanted to hit, was these two waterfalls. So yeah, about that. I think I am thoroughly surprised with how the results are, and say the results. I'm thoroughly surprised with the quality of waterfalls that we got during this little trip. Like, I really am. Yeah. Campbell's Falls were really, really nice. And then here at Marsh Fork, it's really nice. This is better than a lot of the ones we've seen so far in our adventures. And I'm really, really excited to have you guys see this video. So, like I said, one little short one on the way out. But other than that, I think we're done here. So, thanks guys. Hey guys, so I think the Camp Creek video is going to be finished. I really would like to go into the forest, but it's hunting season. I've already seen hunters walk out of the forest area. I've also heard a couple gunshots. And so, I don't think it'd be very smart for me to go walking through a state forest during hunting season. I don't really have any orange on. I was mostly coming for the waterfall. The waterfalls, I should say. So, there's that. Yeah. And that's the basic gist of this park. Camp Creek offers... oh, golly, what do they offer? They offer a whole bunch of camping. I don't believe they have cabins or anything like that. It's mostly tent camping. They offer 2 of the most beautiful waterfalls I have ever seen in my gallivanting through West Virginia. Let's see. So they offer waterfalls, camping, lots of trails. If you want to get like totally off the radar and go hide, Camp Creek would be your place to go hide at, especially because the access points to the state forest are gated, and so it's like really off grid, and it goes way deeper, farther back in there. I think the state forest might be a little bit more remote than what Cambrebo was, and Cambrebo was a heck of a journey back there. Let's see. There are recreational parts of this park. They have a lot of fishing. I think there's some fly fishing down here. Let's see what else. They have playgrounds, picnic areas. That's the basic gist of it. I really think that Camp Creek is probably one of my favorite ones so far. 2 wonderful waterfalls. It's remote. You don't have to worry about people coming and bothering you. Except during hunting season, evidently. Yeah, it's been really nice so far, and I can't really truly complain about it. So, yeah, I think we've hiked 2 miles so far. So, I think you guys are coming along with me on this journey. I hope you guys like Camp Creek State Park and State Forest. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. I believe, if I've got my numbers right, Camp Creek is number 31. 31 state parks and state forests that I've been to. Between the state parks and state forests, I think there's like 43 or 44, so I've got like 12, 13 left. Hopefully we'll get these done this year. Thank you guys for being who you are. Thank you for supporting me, and it's about the simplest way of liking a video and subscribing to my channel. Share it with your friends if you like it that much, and just thank you. So, take care. God bless. Keep safe. It's a crazy world out there. You never know if Bigfoot might be lurking around a tree waiting to snatch you. So, take care. Goodbye.